The iPhone LEF 10C is a dependable master intercom that ties together up to 10 compatible stations, making it well suited for small to mid-sized buildings that need clear internal and entry communication. Its dedicated all-call function, when paired with the appropriate adapter, lets you easily broadcast announcements or background audio to every connected station, which is very useful for offices, schools, or clinics. The integrated door release capability allows you to unlock an entrance remotely through a properly wired electric strike, adding real convenience and security at controlled doors. 10 clearly labeled buttons with bright indicator lights make it straightforward to see which station is calling and to select exactly where you want to talk or listen. Thoughtful touches like the privacy control, adjustable chime and audio levels, and the option to monitor a station give the system a professional feel that goes beyond basic doorbells. Its semi-flush wall mounting, sturdy white housing, and hardwired 12-volt power design contribute to a clean, permanent installation that is built for long-term daily use.